circle inside program is already there. So I here now I want to cut outside this rectangle. For that I again go to the toolpath. Just click it here, then go to the 2D toolpaths. Okay, profile toolpath, create profile toolpath. In this I want to cut outside the rectangle. So profile I will select as outside. Okay, then cutting depth. Cutting depth I am going to give the same finish because same material only I am using 5 mm. I have given 5 mm is already there, 5 mm. Then I will select the tool. Again I select it. I am selecting the same tools, end mill 6 mm. Okay, select. Okay, then I will go to the bottom again to material thickness. Okay, here click again. It's a 5 mm material, already is the 5 mm material is there. I need not to change it again. If I want, I just can go open it and just check 5 mm only here, then okay, fine. Then I just give calculate. Before that I will give the name. Now I give the name rectangle outside. Okay, rectangle outside cutting, the name I have given. Then calculate now. Then the rectangle this also formed. For this I can have a separate simulation. Okay, this is selected here. No, then only I can go here and just see the simulation. This is the faster simulation, this is slower simulation. Okay, just giving slower simulation, just getting it standard or this one. You can see the tool is moving slowly. Okay, faster given, tool is moving like this. Okay, then I can go for the second one. If I want for the circle, I can click here in the circle, or for that simulation also I can see any of this is the faster one. Okay, so these two. So this material, now I first I made this circle to cut. Then if I have to do separate program, okay, if I have to separate program to take out this piece, first I have to run the circle inside, then only outer only I can cut. Okay, it's like this, So if we are giving separate programs, if we have because if you are giving separate program and first if we cut the rectangle, then there is no holding for the material, so we can't cut the circle. So you should be careful for that. Okay, now I am just deleting the these two programs. Okay, I just delete it. Before that I just delete the simulation first. Simulation I deleted. Then I go to the program. Then if I want to delete the program, I can delete the program. Okay, yes, you want to delete the program. Yes, I want to delete this program. This circle also I want to delete. I can delete that program also. Now I am going again to 2D and to see. Now what I am doing, instead of I am selecting this circle and rectangle separately, I will select both these together. Okay, so pressing the shift button, I will circle and rectangle I selected. So this case, what should be the, so I want to take out this material. No, the material between the circle and the rectangle I want to take it out. So if I have selected both these together, what should be the profile selection should be there. The profile selection will be outside, because the material we want to cut is this one in between the circle and the rectangle. So the tool has to move outside the material. So in the case of circle also, now we can see it's inside the circle, but it's outside this material. You got it? The tool I want to move is actually inside the circle, but if with reference to this material, full material, it is outside. This is also outside of this material, so the tool will move in both the places outside. Okay, not inside the material, it will run outside this material. Hope that you understood it. If you don't understand, please put in the comment, so I will explain to you further, or you just post the video, post this and then again watch it, replay it and see it. Okay, So the concept is this thing. This is the material. For this material, this side and this side is outside. For the circle, only if you are taking, this is inside and this side is outside. For the rectangle also, only if you are taking rectangle, means this side of the rectangle is inside, this right side of the rectangle is outside. But if you are taking this full material, that is the material in between the circle and rectangle, then outside, this side is outside the material and this is inside the material. Okay, this is also outside the material because this is the material, both side is outside. So that's why profile we are taking out, and the finished toolpath same. The tool also we are selected same. Okay, then I am the material thickness also I have selected 5 mm only. Then I can give the cut. I just give a name cut and calculate. Now you can see the toolpath here. It's come here inside the circle. This is the outside the rectangle, but we are here taken here is outside because the material in between the circle and rectangle. With that reference, both these toolpaths are outside. Okay, then you can go for the simulation and see how it's done. It's perfect. This is the thing. Simulation is perfect. Okay, so now we can go to save the toolpath. As earlier, first for the circle I have shown how to make the. Just click it, then cut. Then the save in this is desktop. If you want to change the directory, you can click it here, change full directory. You can check it, it will go there. Then give a name, just give a name like cut. Okay, then the G code, that is the post processor G code we are collected normally. G code or G code I have select. If you have any other machine having a different G code, you consult with your machine manufacturer or the supplier. They will tell you which code you have to create. Okay, or if you have any doubts, you can also check with me. You can put just put a question in the comment section, so I can explain you, or I will contact you on this regard. Okay, or in the one-to-one classes I can clear you the doubt. This is fine. Now you can save it. Okay, save it. Then the toolpath will go to the desktop. Now saved it, then cancel it. Then you can go and see from here. Okay, the cut. Here right click, open with notepad. You can see the code. Okay, so this is the full code for cutting that particular shape. So this particular shape, now we will get the particular shape from here. You can go here in the simulation. Okay, in the simulation you can go here. One option is there, whatever the material you don't want, you can delete it. So you in simulation only. Okay, delete waste, just for view only, because now our work is over, because we already created the code. Now we don't have anything to do with this design, because we already got the NC code. Now we have to give to the machine, it will work. Just for visualization only, I am just want to remove the unwanted material from here. Okay, so for that, the direct waste material, I am just deleting the waste material. I just click it here. It will ask delete picked material, keep picked material. I just want to keep picked material because I am just want to keep the material. I am going to click this is the one I want to keep, so I am just clicking it. Okay, so only this will remain, all other waste material will be removed, just for visualization. This has nothing to do with the machining. Okay, got it. Hope that you are very clear. So this is the material, this is the shape you could able to cut using the G code. Okay.